Hi, in this video I will show how to use app for converting BAI bank files to SQL scripts. This is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find the app, I will click on search and type BAI, and I will click on BAI converters page, then click on BAI to SQL, and click on download button to start downloading process and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. So BAI is like Bank Administration Institution file format. It's a relatively old format for storing information like about accounts, transactions, bank accounts, bank transactions, and so on. So you can see archive has been downloaded on my computer, so I'll just click on it. Double click on MSI inside archive to start installation. Click on more info here. I'm getting that screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next, install. Click on yes here and click on finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. So now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. On first step I'll have to select my files, so I'll click to select input files and navigate to my documents, and in my documents I have BAI sample file and click on open. And then after files selected, I can select multiple files. And after files selected, I'll click on next step. On next step, I have to specify, do I want to add ID field? It's usually a good idea to add ID field. Regularly, transaction ID is like kind of ID field for BAI files, but I would add ID field. And here I have to specify which database type I have to use. So I will use Microsoft SQL Server, click on next step, and here I can preview my SQL. You can see first the create table. So basically it will create 2 tables, details and summary. And it will use file name as name of the table. So it will be like create table details, insert data details. Here is it, goes insert. Then create a table summary and insert summary data in here. So after, so I can click on save result to save it SQL file. So this, and it will ask me for location and name of the file. This name and location is okay. I'll just click save, and you can see saying saved into. Let's go and see file. Let's open it with Notepad just to see it. So you can see all information from BAI file converted into SQL, and now I can send this SQL file to my database admin, or I can modify it or change it the way I want, and run and import all data from BAI files to SQL database. Or like if it's MySQL, you can select on second step, you could select MySQL database, you have different script and upload it via phpMyAdmin or something like that. So yeah, basically that's it. We got our SQL file. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.